all have cardboard boxes lying around at home, so why not turn them into something cute and useful? In today's video, I will show you how to make an adorable Hello Kitty pen stand using cardboard. So let's get started. First, we will need a Hello Kitty cutout on a page to trace the shape and 2 pieces of cardboard. Now place the cutout on a piece of cardboard and carefully trace the outline using a pencil. Repeat the same process on another cardboard piece so we have 2 identical shapes. Now using a cutter or scissors, cut out the traced shapes from the cardboard. Now we have 2 Hello Kitty shaped cardboard pieces. Next, we will glue them together with a base to give our stand stability. For the base, I am using a craft paper. By the way, all the products I am using are from Itsybitsy. Use my code for 5% off. Link is in the description. Once the structure is formed, we will cut to rectangular paper to create compartments for the pen stand. This will be glued inside the stand, making sections to hold pens and other stationery. After the glue has dried completely, apply a coat of gesso all over the stand. This will create a smooth surface and make the paint look even better. Once the gesso has dried, use a pencil to lightly sketch Hello Kitty's facial features, including eyes, nose, and signature bow. Now it's time to bring our pen stand to life with some colors. Paint the entire stand carefully, making sure to highlight the facial details and bow. Once the paint is completely dry, apply a layer of varnish to seal the color and give the stand a nice polished finish. And that's it, our cute and functional pen stand is ready. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas.